Great, thank you. Good morning, Chair Hansen, Ranking Member Walsh, honorable members of the committee. My name is Aoibheann Klein. I'm an attorney and the state director for the National Rifle Association. On behalf of the NRA's tens of thousands of members, thank you for the opportunity to testify in strong opposition to House Bill 1705. House Bill 1705 is grossly flawed and presents more technical issues than I have time to cover today. I will attempt to cover most of the glaring issues, beginning first with three definitional issues. Section 1 of the bill purports it's the legislature's intent that this bill be interpreted in a manner consistent with federal laws, regulations, and the ATF's proposed Rule 2021 R05. However, this bill expands upon federal definitions, creating an issue identifying with sufficient specificity the critical stage of manufacture, where an unregulated block of metal or plastic becomes an unfinished frame or receiver. Even the ATF's proposed rule identifies 8 factors. This bill fails to include those and is more susceptible to challenge for vagueness and abuse of discretion. Compounding these additional issues, this bill expands upon an additional definition, which is wildly overbroad and failing to use any critical stage analysis. Third, we have issues with the assembly definition in Section 3, where a person commits a violation. This raises questions on whether swapping out and disassembling component parts creates an otherwise lawful firearm and raises issues. There's, again, further issues with technical definitions I'm happy to work with you in amending. Section 1 uses the pandering term ghost guns, and the claims have been increasingly prevalent throughout the West Coast without any citation. However, the Washington Association of Sheriffs and Police Chiefs has told the NRA they do not gather this data. In summary, this bill has several internal conflicts, and despite the statement it's intended to be interpreted in a manner consistent with federal law and regulations, the ATF rule, it is not harmonized and expands upon this definition. The ATF rule has not been passed, and there's reason to question whether it ever will be. I urge a no vote on House Bill 1705, as well as House Bill 1618 and 1630. Thank you.